everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel, and as promised, I am back today with a new unboxing featuring the new Bluey Toys by Moose Toys. This is Bluey's Ultimate Caravan Adventures. This whole video is dedicated to this one set. If you want to check out my other unboxings of the new Bluey Toys, go back a video and you'll see new figure packs, new plushies, a lot of fun stuff, even talking Bluey plush. But let's focus on this beautiful caravan. We saw this back during Toy Fair Zooms back in February, and Moose Toys was so kind enough to send us this. My boys were so excited. So let's just jump right in and get it unboxed, and you can find out more retail information in my description and on my website, playliverepeat.com. These are going to be hidden stores any day now, so watch out for them and stay tuned for my Bluey Toys giveaway hosted by me on my social media pages so you guys can enjoy some toys by Bluey too. So let's get started. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. Everything's exposed so you can see everything. You don't see all of the capabilities of this amazing set though, so I will show you that in a moment. Let's just admire this box. So it comes with 12 pieces. It includes the Healer family van, 2 surfboards, 3 figures, Bandit, Bluey, Jean-Luc. We have a fire pit with a marshmallow on a stick to roast marshmallows. We have a beautiful table set. It looks like we could see 2 because the notches are at the bottom, and there is food at the table as well, a nice healthy meal. We have the beautiful camper that pops up and has multiple levels of play. There's even a little tow hitch over here. So much details, I love it. Checking out the actual packaging, at the back it tells you the story about camping. It says come camping with Bluey and her new friend Jean-Luc in cousin Muffin and Sock's family caravan with Bandit driving the Healer 4-wheel drive. You can play and snuggle down the cozy camping bunk beds with them, then toast marshmallows around the campfire with the family and see if you can catch a wild pig too. Or is that dead? Let's get this unboxed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. At the bottom of the packaging, you get your stickers. Those stickers to actually decorate the inside of the camper van and the inside of the Healer family vehicle. These stickers represent some messes that you'll find in the backseat of a parent's car. First, let's get this Healer 4-wheel drive vehicle intact. Just need to attach the surfboards to the top before I continue. Done in a snap, and then you just attach the side view mirrors onto each side of the vehicle. Just like the original vehicle, it actually features the car seats in the back for Bluey and Bingo. We have the steering wheel on the right side of the vehicle. I love that they kept that feature since they are in Australia. We have the extra spare tire right over here. It says Bluey. License plate says 419 Healer or HLR. Here's the bottom of it. Has 4 moving wheels, and the neat thing is easy for kids to load up the whole family. All they have to do is just lift up this part and it folds in the back. And the great thing is it all has some cargo space as well. If you wanted to pack some luggage, you could even use other accessories from other Bluey playsets. It's easy to place the characters inside. All you gotta do is just bend them. There you go, to tuck in that tail in the back of the chair. Perfect. Now they're off to their camping adventure. Woo! Don't forget to remove this tape. The Healer 4-wheel drive vehicle is all set up. Now let's set up the camper. So let's first put on the stairs. They just snap right in. And you can still move it with the stairs on. And flip it around. Now you're going to see the back of the camper. Lots of neat details that you would normally see in a camper. So you have all the accessory panels, the exhaust for like the hot water heater. So this folds out to the kitchen, and you can see a ladder that goes up to the loft space. Now this is actually going to rise up, so you have multiple levels of play. So you have pop-out play, moving play because it's on wheels, and we have pop-up play. There's little tabs here, so just lift those up. Awesome. Take out this cardboard that you don't need. Now it looks pretty bare in there, so we're just going to dress it up. You can attach the table and the chairs. First put in the table. And everything is secure and snug with these notches, so if you're moving during play, it won't fall. Really, really nice. Now you see it does look kind of bare, but we're going to decorate it now with some stickers. Before we do so, though, let's lift up the bunk. So in order to be able to play, just move this over, lift up the bunk, and then you can re-secure it, reattach it rather. So it's kind of funny. It is basically like how a normal bunk would be if you had a pull-down bunk in a camper. It's really, really neat. We have a little bunk sticker that's already attached so they can climb up and lie down on the beds. Don't forget there's an open and closed door. Super cute. It even has a little awning detail. It doesn't roll out, but it's a nice effect. I like that. Before I attach the stickers, I just want to show you that this actually opens to secure it. So there's some like security for Bluey and Bingo as they play. Here is the modern kitchen. Nice wood flooring, quote unquote, faux wood, sink, and then we have a oven under here. Opens and closes, nice little touch. Open and close cupboard doors with plates and cups and everything you need. Lots of fun pretend play here, a little countertop space. And now we can add a little Bluey pizzazz with these cute little stickers. So let's get these stickers on. There's no right or wrong way to actually put these stickers. That looks way better with a lot of pizzazz, some stickers in there. I did change it up a little bit to give it a little bit more of my own personal taste. I thought maybe it'd be better to have Bluey with her plushie on the top bunk, and I thought that was a really cute little addition. Either way, so stinking cute. I love this set. I'm going to just show you quickly how to attach it to the actual hitch so your kids will be on their way to camping fun. At the bottom of the Healer 4-wheel drive vehicle is your tow hitch hole. You just attach it here. And now it's all lined up, and it can even move with it being open. But it's so super easy to open and close. Really, really easy for little kids to be able to do on their own. Just gotta push this down, put that back in, and then everything just like kind of snaps right back into place. It looks like this is a curtain. They did make it look like a curtain. I love that. This is the actual bottom of the bunk. That's so cute. I unboxed the Ultimate Caravan set. You don't have to get the set if you already have the Healer 4-wheel drive vehicle. You can opt just to get the set with the Caravan. So far, I've only seen the Ultimate set at Walmart.com. You can check out all that info on my blog at playliverepeat.com. I have all links for the latest sets to shop. Has a nice swivel so it can turn really, really easily. And all of the accessories that you get with it, like the marshmallow on a stick, your fireplace, everything can fit inside of the camper van while it's not in play. In addition to Jean-Luc, we'll get a closer look of these figures in just 1 second. To wrap up this unboxing, let's take a closer look at the figures. You get Bandit, that is Bluey and Bingo's dad. You get Bluey, and you get the infamous Jean-Luc. This is supposedly Bluey's betrothed. The end of the episode is so beautiful. Bluey, again, travels off into the woods, and there she meets Jean-Luc later in life when they're older. Just like other Bluey figures, these figures are articulated. So we have posable arms, posable legs that share a joint, and posable tail. They have little like notches in their hands so they're able to hold accessories. So you see over here, we're gonna be able to put the marshmallow stick in Jean-Luc's hand. And I just think this is a really, really super cute collection. I love the fact that it includes a little fire pit and a marshmallow. And again, if you have other Bluey characters, you could definitely incorporate them into your pretend play. Make sure you check out my other unboxing videos featuring the newer Bluey toys that just came out. That's the video right before this one. Stay tuned to more videos featuring these adorable play sets with my kiddos, and I'm gonna do some fun skits this summer. We're just gonna have so much fun, and I'm gonna show you what these toys can really do. Can't wait to see what you do with them too. Make sure you tag me on social media when you get them. And if you are watching and you are new here, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Again, these figures are awesome. This playset's awesome. So many different modes of play and the kids are gonna have a blast. Trust me, this line is amazing. Thank you so much to Moose Toys again for sending us this beautiful collection of new Bluey Toys. Plush, there's figures, there's even Talking Bluey and Talking Bingo. Hey! I love it. Retail information in my description below. Let me know what you think of this new range and I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching.